Hello everybody, welcome back. It's your boy Mr. Greenhands. Today is a wet and quite dreary day, but it's gonna be the day that I'm gonna be harvesting my carrots. Let's go. In this bed here that you see, I have some carrots mixed with some beautiful and amazing humongous turnips. These are snow bunny turnips, snowball turnips, snow bunny. Where do I get snow bunny from? And there is some carrots that I harvest in here. I will pin the link of that video in the top there that you guys can go and watch if you want to see when I sow these, so you have an understanding of how long it took me to do this. But I kind of left them a little bit late because these are the early ones and I'm not too worried. These are autumn variety, so obviously they're pretty much, it's time to get them out. I'm going to show you what the outcome of them. I know some of them probably have been nibbled by snails and all these amazing things in the ground. It doesn't bother me. I think sometimes you gotta give back. You gotta give something to the soil so you can harvest something. There are some slugs around, but don't worry, you gotta give something back. So I'm gonna go through these and see how they turn out. Some of them are looking good, some of them are looking bad, but it doesn't matter. Let me go get my tray and get the show on the road. A variety of these ones are Autumn Kings, so they are perfect to be harvested now. So they're good. Let's try to get one of them out. It doesn't take much, you know, just one little grip and you have some carrots. Because this is the amazing thing about no dig, is that you can come in here, you don't need to put too much effort in removing them from the ground. Just one little pull and you have some carrots. It's just amazing because I love no dig. I don't think it's for everybody, but you don't know unless you try. Let's see if I can grab this one here. This one is a little bit of a defect. It looked like it's been damaged. Look at that, but still, put it right through the juicer and they are going to give you some amazing vitamins to your body. Let's try to get the rest of them. And the great thing about carrots, you can eat the carrot tops as well, and you will get some amazing salad. Sometimes you don't have to think to throw them away. You can use the tops of your carrot and have a great meal. It's not always about throwing away something. Just do a little investigation and have a look, because we are wasting quite a lot, you know, in these modern times than we're actually adding to the planet. We're wasting more than we're doing. This one was a big one, but it's a bit rotten, so I think I've left this one a little bit too late. Look at it there, guys. You can see it's trying to decompose. I'm just going to drop it back there into the ground and let it become a part of this cycle. And with no dig, you don't, if you are a cultivator, with no dig, it allows you to not be there always like washing stuff off, so with wasting of water. You can just basically a quick wash and that will be ready for the markets when you are going to sell your produce. And it takes less effort. Some of these are a little bit tiny, but I'm not too worried about them. It's still gonna go into the processing of giving me a meal. Look at that, they're small but still good. Let's grab the other ones here. Look at that, look how easy it is for me to come out here. I'm not digging anything, I'm just grabbing them and throwing them in my little tray, and I'm having a blast doing this because I'm seeing the results of my hard work. And I'm gonna make sure next time, you know, obviously learn along the way. Learn what you can improve on. Learn what, you know, obviously there's a few defects, there's another defect there, but still, that would have been an amazing carrot. So I'm going to add some more compost to this to make it a more deeper no dig. So I can actually come out here and have a better carrot next season. It's all about learning along the way. It's not just about growing something, it's learning about how can you improve next time round and making a difference in your growing season. Oh, this bit broke off. It's down there somewhere in the ground. I'm not too, nah. Let's leave it for some of the wormy worms and they can have that for tea. And I love using my hands. Some of us are a bit skeptical. Let me bring this beautiful turnip with me home. I can put it in my juicer and have it in my carrot juice as well. So I'm gonna just harvest and just drop back some of them there into the thing. Oh, this is a big one. Same thing happened as well. It had a little bit of a split. This one's a bit hard to get out. It's a big one though. I might have to use my trowel and get it out of there. Some people do thinning out when they're growing their carrots, and I didn't do any thinning. That could be a result of why these ones didn't get the chance to produce all of that space. They sometimes need a lot of space, but it doesn't matter to me. It's all about being able to get food from the ground to the table, and it makes such a big difference when you're growing your own crop. And I advise everybody to grow your own crop. Look at that. A little bit of dirt. When I get home, I'll be washing these off and get them ready. Let me see if I can use 2 hands. A little bit of a jiggle. Okay, that one has gone deep. Let's pull this one out. Got a few more there. Look at that. Amazing. Ooh, there's a big one here. And you won't really find stuff like this in the shop, because they like that little perfect thing. For me, every carrot is perfect, whether big or small. But it's not about the size of the carrot. It's actually getting a carrot to grow for you. Oh, that one's broken off. This is literally what happened. I've got a few here, so I've got some crazy looking ones, and obviously you know that you will never see this sort of variety or these ones in the stores. These are some here which are looking amazing, and look, as you can see, there's not much dirt in them. Give it, because this is done in a no dig, you know, so you're gonna have a little wash and prepare them, and they are super amazing. Look at that, just amazing. It's just beautiful to be able to come out here on a Sunday and get some amazing. And the smell that these things, the carrot tops are edible, so you can chop these off and put them in a salad. I'm not the one to do so, but I will start to incorporate a lot of these things into my dietary. The more and more I learn, the more I grow, and that is all it is to learn a little bit more that you can help yourself with something that adds value to your body, because your body is a machine and it requires good and healthy and great vitamin, minerals, and a protein as well, because everything is in everything. Your body is just a beautiful machine, but if you don't take care of it, like having naturally grown items like these, and strangely enough, guys, this is a yellow variety that was mixed in. Only one of them came. I mixed a few of them in there, and it came out looking really weird. But it's still a carrot, nonetheless. It's just beautiful. Look at that, guys. Beautiful, just beautiful. And that is all for now. That is your all. This is your boy, Mr. Greenhands, and love what you do, grow what you eat, and eat what you grow. Please come back for more tips, hints, and whatever you like. If you don't like anything, hit it up. You know what I mean. Just come back, and do not forget to hit that like, subscribe, and share button, because you never know what information I might give you. You might learn something new. And carrots are a great source of vitamins. Just look it up. You just never know what you might actually learn. What's beneficial for your body. Take care of yourself, the planet, because we have to.